everyone, good morning. Welcome to another video. It's first thing in the morning, Saturday morning, it's about 7:30. I just got to the workshop quite early to get all ready, get the kettle on, because Honest John's coming back. Now the Ranelagh project is finished, we've done that. I mean, there's still work going on, but we're not doing that now. We're putting a line under that for now. The next project we're finishing is the coffee van. We are going to spend some time today getting all of the pipes and hoses routed and plumbed in. Who knows how far we're going to get, to be honest. We need to get the door hung. I don't know if we will do that. The wastewater tank hung underneath, all the pipes connected. It's going to be a good day. First thing is a coffee, as ever.
Without question.
Jobs for the day. We are on the coffee van. We have to walk past all of the distractions of the Ranelagh, the Porsche, the BSA. Ignore that all. Don't look at it. Look the other way. We've got to get this done. First thing to do is have a little fight with the water tank, the wastewater tank that I've made. Made lots of brackets for. Half got it nearly fitting, but not quite. It just needs that final kind of push over the hill. Finesse, yeah. We need to run the hose to it, probably drill a couple of holes through the body to feed it through, mount the tank. I'll tell you what, before we add to the list, should we just get that done?
Yes, let's get the tank in and another coffee.
Let's have another in, then we can have another coffee.
Another coffee.
Good.
I think I need to make this.
John, I've got to say, it's a very nice t-shirt you're wearing.
Someone gave it to me.
Yeah.
No, this is perfect, Dom. This custom built tank.
Look how nice that fits in there.
Oh, yeah, it's like a glove, Dom. Right. Here it is. Look at that. Like, no safety net. And I'm out. Hey?
That's nice.
Does that work?
God, who made that? What a dream.
I think we're good. We'll drill a couple of holes in here, mate.
2 more holes, why not?
Onto these really extensive brackets. Take the weight. That's the best bit of metal on the car. Right. This is terrible. I'm working in like shadows.
I've given you a light under there.
Yeah, shining right in my eyes. It's like really helpful. Oh, careful, John, careful. Don't snap it off now. Look at it go, Dom, look.
Straight in there.
Like a windmill. Oh.
That's it.
Why'd you come out and smash my teeth out?
Drop it, yeah.
All right, let's do the riv nut challenge.
There's washers there, isn't there?
Yeah, but it's not enough.
You want more?
You only done like 6. This is going to need like 20. Now I roll around on my back. That would have made a good camera shot. Right.
You've put it in again without me filming it.
What?
You sent me off for washers.
Right. Ta-da! Beautiful. Right,
Making a meal out of this, aren't you, John? Honestly.
I need to make a.
I know you're on a day rate, but geez. Right, it's after lunch now. I popped out for half hour to go and get a sandwich, keep John happy. Give him his pork pie. It was a Scotch egg, actually. And look, we're done with metalwork. The tank is mounted. Hoses are all ran. Done. That's all finished. We're on to woodwork.
Yeah.
John is in his happy place, as well as being a amateur mechanic. He's also a trainee woodworker. Jigsaw puzzle on the floor here.
Puzzle.
3 or 4 bits done already. The mount for the rubber mounted panel for the pumps, the side panels. This is all plywood. I don't know how thick it is. Fairly thick plywood. Basically, we're lining the driver's side, up the kind of cab side of all of the aluminium structure with wood. We can mount neatly all the wiring, all the cabling, all the hoses, all that sort of stuff to the actual timber surround. I'm going to lay it all down on the floor and spray it in the sort of textured Raptor finish, the same as the roof rack. That will keep any moisture or water out or anything like that. It will seal it nicely and it'll be black and it will look quite neat once we're done. So, oh, look at him go.
2 + 1, 30 × 3. What's the eating of the pencil, Dom?
It was supposed to be like a nice close-up shot.
Yeah, look, I've cut your head off.
No, yeah, cut my head off. Just a close-up of the saw going. Hold it steady.
Well, onto the second mark.
That's it. A table saw would be nice. Sadly, we sold it. Safety first. That's it. There we go.
Right, we got
one piece down.
No, bring it back, Dom.
Oh.
Get it back. You've got to notch your corner out.
Where? Oh, here.
Ah.
Oh, you can do that, and I'll do that.
Swap in. Let's see the thumb. All right, let's get that in there.
In you get.
Let's do it.
Look how happy he looks. Look.
Yeah, right. Okay, get the camera off.
And cut.
Oh, better than expected, Dom.
You mean it fits perfectly, doesn't it, John?
Dom, it will. Look, it's there. Look, potential. Right, we're just quite literally. My little notches is not big enough.
Oh.
Yeah, I want another 5 mil on that.
It's very close. This has been the theme of the afternoon. Climbing in and out of the cab of this thing. It's awkwardly high.
I always like the measure once, cut twice. Oh yes, I can feel it in me water. Come, you know me. Yeah, another couple of mils should do it. That's it. Third time lucky. Ta-da!
Look at that.
Hey? Don't give up the day job. Right, I know.
Look, the water tank and the pumps and everything are going to be down there in that little hole. Well, the tank is down there. Then there's going to be, come on, John, give us a reference where the shelf's going to sit.
The shelf is going to be here, just like this.
We're going to put a batten across, and then a little shelf is going to sit there.
Shelf.
And then on these walls, we can put all of the inverter,
Filters.
the filter, the inverter, the charger, all the wires, all the other stuff.
Look like
away from all the water.
Look like something out of Starship Enterprise.
Basically, I need to drill a hole in this top corner for the water level gauge. I've stupidly left it till the very last minute to drill it, and now I've got to try and use one of these horrible cutters to drill through this sheet of pristine stainless.
Oh, this can only go well.
I'm about to make a mess of it. It's not even running, it's not even spinning round. It's flapping around already.
Oh, beautiful. Beautiful. It's very accurate piece of equipment. Yeah, what's going on there?
It's not even...
Does that help?
I don't know. Turns out it's very difficult to drill stainless steel. I can't even get the drill bit through.
Oh, tell
you what.
Tell me it's gone through, Dom.
Maybe we don't need a water gauge.
Just trying to repair this bad bit that Dom done.
Your knees. Tomorrow you're going to be feeling it.
Whew. I'm feeling it today. I don't know about tomorrow.
Oh.
Oh.
Oh no, who measured that?
Oh, hey. Zip down to this corner and still. There it is.
Look at that.
Read it on weight. Ta-da, just need the optics and the ice bucket. It's all good. And a hole for the gauge, which we haven't completed yet.
Yeah.
Yeah, slight technical error.
We can nail in the wires nice and neat, route them down nice and straight. We can do a nice job.
Access, pumps in there. Job's a good one.
Yeah?
Wow. That's quite something else.
Very tempting to get carried away with this, but before we know it, we're here.
Oh, look at that.
That's it, one can, gone, as quick as that. Oh, I dragged the hose over it.
You did drag the hose over it, yeah. Oh, 1, 2. Oh, where's 3 and 4? Oh, tell me 3 and 4 ain't in there. Oh, that's so close to not being accessible. Right.
Right, well, there we go. It's getting late in the day. John is about to head off, but we've done really well. I know it looks a bit like a black hole back there, but that is now a blank canvas ready for all of the wiring, or the inverter, the power supply, the filter, all the stuff to be bolted onto it. I think that's about it, isn't it? We're really close. You pleased?
I think we've done well, mate.
We've done really well. The waste tank's in, the plumbing's all in for that. The fresh water tank's in, the pumps.
Pumps are in.
Both pumps, there's 2 pumps. They're both mounted, rubber mounted and fixed in place underneath that little cubby hole. We've got a bit of pipes to do for that, but the filter to mount. But other than mounting a few bits to the new wooden bulkhead, we're pretty close. I better get on the phone to brother Dan.
Rescue, help!
I think that may be the next phone call I make, to get brother Dan up here, because there's a lot of electrical things that need wire running here and there.
Yeah, best call him.
Yeah, that is way over my head. So thank you very much for watching. Leave us any comments below if you've got any feedback. I'm sure you all have.
See you soon.
See you later.
Take care. Bye.